This is our Springfield camera where we've gone back and forth between mostly cloudy and partly sunny. We've had enough sunshine, though, that's really boosted the temperatures, pushing many of us into the 50s and a pretty mild day ahead of what we expect to be a fairly wet and eventually wintry day tomorrow. So mild and partly sunny this afternoon. We'll trend back toward mostly cloudy again. Our storm here tomorrow looks like it's going to bring some significant snow in eastern areas. That includes parts of our area, but especially into Worcester County. The snowfall amounts will be much higher there. Sunday and beyond, we go to a cooler yet mainly dry stretch of weather. On our clouds and radar right now, there's basically two pieces to this. There's a southern piece and then there's a northern piece, and these will try and phase together and create a rather strengthening storm. The question is, how quickly does it strengthen? If it strengthens early enough, then we get significant snow just about all over western Massachusetts. If it strengthens too late, we barely get much. But if it strengthens as we expect, then we get some snow, but our eastern hills end up getting the most. And we'll show you what we're expecting as far as our updated SkyCast and snowfall forecast here in a second. SkyCast-wise, we go from partly sunny to mostly cloudy this afternoon and mostly cloudy this evening. Chance for some late evening showers. This is 11 o'clock, closer to the Connecticut state line, the better chance that you have of some showers. These showers will take a while to move farther north. Not until 7 tomorrow morning do we have widespread rain. There'll be some heavier rain mixed in as well. Remember, this isn't just a snowstorm. It's a rainstorm first, which means that pre-treating the roads can be tough because this rain can wash away that pre-treatment, even if there's roads with salt still left on them. In the morning, mid-morning and onwards, our western hills into the Berkshires start seeing a change over to snow. Pink is a rain-snow mix. Blue is straight-up snow. The rest of the area, though, it's still generally just raining. Then as we approach midday, not only our western hills, but our eastern hills start seeing a change over to snow as well. Still, the valley at noon is raining. Here we are at 2. Heavier snow now in the eastern hills as the snow showers start to taper off slowly in the afternoon to the west, and it's still rain in the valley, but we start to see some snow mixing in the valley, yet those eastern hills just continue to deal with snow during the afternoon, and then this tapers off by about 8 o'clock in the evening. So what this means for today, partly sunny to mostly cloudy and mild. We've upped the highs 52 to 56. Mostly cloudy tonight with rain chances later in the evening. We dip into the 30s and then the temperatures start to rise. Highs of 42 to 46. That happens tomorrow morning. By the afternoon, we'll be falling through the 30s as the temperatures drop and as the rain changes to a rain-snow mix, so cooling air. Here's the timing of it all then here for this Saturday storm. Morning is mainly rain with a mix in the Berkshires. In the afternoon, we change from rain to snow. Heaviest snow comes down 1 to 5 o'clock, the later of this time frame for those of you in the lower valley because it just takes longer to make the switch. This all ends by 8, the highest accumulations east of I-91. So we've made some subtle adjustments to the snowfall forecast. This 1 to 3 inch range has expanded just a little bit. Still includes the eastern half of Berkshire County and the western third of Franklin, Hampshire, and Hampden counties. Right up the middle here in the valley, still a coating to 2 inches, and then you head just out of the valley, you start entering this 1 to 3 inch zone before quickly turning to the 3 to 6. Eastern Franklin, Hampshire, and a good portion of far eastern Hampden County. In fact, you're technically 3 to 6 inches plus, because depending on how this heavy band of snow sets up during the afternoon, there could be some isolated amounts even higher than 6 inches. We expect noticeably more than 6 inches into northern sections of Worcester County. Travel tomorrow afternoon if you're heading east could be rather difficult getting out of the valley. Sunday, sun and clouds, breezy and 38. A pretty nice second half of the weekend, albeit a little cool. You may be doing some shoveling here on Sunday morning, depending on where you are. Monday, sun and clouds, 37. Tuesday, sun and clouds, 36. Wednesday, mostly sunny, 41. And sun and clouds and 45 on Thursday. So a nice warm up on the way for next week and a lot of dry weather ahead as well. Latest news and weather on our 20 News mobile apps.